Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I thought I'll just give a quick update about Monsoon 2020. So today IMD just announced that monsoon currents have reached Andaman and Nicobar Islands and they have covered the entire islands, which is very clear from this chart. As of May 28th, you can see that the northern limit of monsoon is running and covering the entire Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this is good news. I was expecting it to happen tomorrow, May 29th, but it has happened today thanks to good equatorial flow and presence of a equatorial Rossby wave, which is ensuring that the ITCZ is moving northward, and also good convective activity is happening over Comorin Sea and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea as well as Southwest Bay of Bengal. So this region, good amount of energetics are seen, which is helping the monsoon to or the monsoon currents to flow northward. Okay, so soon they will cover Kerala. So let us see what is the outlook. So if you look at this map, it's clear that the clouding is quite intense, and this is basically the effect of the equatorial Rossby wave, the atmospheric Rossby wave, which is moving from east to west, and thereby it is sending the energy from equator to north. Okay, so the Rossby wave will move along the equator, but it can transfer energy upwards as well, like in the meridional direction to some extent, and that is what is seen here. And due to this clouding, the monsoon will be very active, or the monsoon currents will be very active. Okay, uh, so I'm expecting that if you look at the IMD GFS model, you see good amount of circulation, which is cyclonic circulation, which is present here. It should help the onset over Kerala. Not tomorrow, but around June 1st or 2nd. But tomorrow and day after, good rain is expected over Kerala because that is kind of the transition from pre-monsoon to monsoon season. Okay, but if you come to 1st or 2nd, then you will see that the westerly depth will be maintained up to 3 kilometers or 4 kilometers, and that will be the criteria to announce the monsoon onset over Kerala. And IMD GFS is showing monsoon vortex, not a very strong vortex, but a weak vortex. But it is going to help in giving rains to the coastal parts of India, the west coast. Okay, so after the monsoon hits Kerala, the vortex will move on northwards, and thereby it will give rains to South Konkan and as well as North Konkan. Okay, so next few days are looking quite interesting in terms of rainfall and also the monsoon currents, how they propagate northward. IMD GFS is not showing a cyclone right now. Some models, especially only ECMWF model, is showing a strong cyclone. According to the dynamics, it is not working out well because the dynamics don't suggest a cyclone formation yet. But let us just keep an eye out. But I'm in agreement with IMD GFS model, and I'm expecting most probably a monsoon vortex or a low pressure, which will help give rains to the west coast after the onset happens over Kerala. Okay, this vortex is not likely to give the onset over Bombay. So Bombay onset will not happen around 3rd or 4th as we see. Rains will be expected over Bombay around 3rd of June, 2nd of June, 3rd of June, and 4th of June. Good chances of rain is there over Bombay, but onset is likely to happen around 9th or 10th of June. Okay, so I'll keep updating as and when anything changes. But the next point of interest is the monsoon currents reaching Kerala, which is expected around 1st June or 2nd June. Okay, so it's a kind of a on time or near on time onset, which is good, and that is always a good sign of monsoon currents having good amount of momentum to cover most parts of India. Okay, I'll be back with more updates, and thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.